Hello guys, I hope you guys are very well and good health. So let's start our new video with our mini PC. As you can see, today we are going to show you how to install our new mini PC on the back of this monitor. So let's start our new video. In the beginning, we need to take a monitor with our hanging system, and we need this plate and screw which you get in the box. So let's take down our monitor like this and take out this plate and also the screws. You will get 4 screws in this place, and here for saving your time, maybe 1 or 2 screw is okay. So in this part, you will get 2 holes in the back of this monitor, in the mini PC. Now just you need to hang like this way. Yeah, it's done. So for saving our time, as usual, I already fixed our HDMI cable, our power cable, and also mouse and keyboard with this mini PC. So let's turn on our mini PC. Here is our button for off and on. So you just press once and you will get the blue light, the circle of this beautiful mini PC. And if you come in the front side, you will get our mini PC is on. So thanks for watching this video.